Don't do Bacardi.
Hello you there, how are you doing today? What's up you guys? As you can tell by the title, I'm doing a lip gloss video on how I do my lip glosses, you know, for my business or whatever. So, oh gosh, okay, let me remind y'all, it's 2 o'clock in the morning when I was filming this video. So of course your girl's dumb tired, like I'm half asleep. When I'm half asleep, I'm goofy. This whole video is just crazy, so bear with me, y'all, bear with me. Then I'm putting on my hairnet, you know. Ooh, look at that transition though. Putting on my hairnet because, you know, we gotta be secure, gotta have that security, you know. COVID ain't playing. I'm putting on my face mask. Boricua, I stand up, you know what I'm saying? Us Puerto Ricans, look at me over there trying to salsa.
Stop it. Get some help.
So I don't know how to salsa. Somebody try to teach me, like, give me, DM me some salsa lessons, because I don't know how to salsa. Yes, I'm Puerto Rican, we can't salsa. But yeah, now we put it on gloves, and I realized that face mask is a little too hot, too thick. I know I like them thick, but not that thick yet. So I'm putting on my little skinny little, something a fart could go through face mask from Adidas. I'm putting on my gloves. You know what I'm saying? We gotta stay sanitary, and that's what I'm doing. I'm showing y'all this little journal. This is where I put my recipes for my lip glosses, where I write my lip glosses down so I can always have exact measurements. Showing y'all my little bag of lip glosses. By the way, I'm going step by step with this, you guys. I'm showing y'all everything. So I'm showing y'all the bag of lip glosses. Well, ain't lip glosses in it. Yeah, my lip gloss tubes. Let me say that. My lip gloss tubes. I got my little coconut oil. I came back because I had to post everything on. There's my Instagram. There's my other Instagram. My business Instagram. My personal Instagram. I was up posting that I'm making a video for you guys, and it took so long. My eyes were so red. But yeah, here's my eyeshadow palette. Yo, this is going too fast. I will be doing a giveaway on my Instagram, but I made this video 20 minutes after I found out Chadwick Boseman has passed away. So I'm giving my condolences. Wakanda forever, you know what I'm saying? Brothers and sisters, we gotta stick together. And I ended up finding the syringes I was looking for. It turns out I took out every box out my room except that one. Crazy, right? I know. So I'm just hooking up my station up. I got my little scale to make sure all my measurements are accurate and the same. And I got my little gel and my ingredients. So I'm just going to squeeze in my TKB gel, and I'm not making that much tubes today because I have a lot. I just wanted to make a little bit for the sake of this video. So you see how much I put? That ain't going to fill like no more than 4 containers. Probably not even 4, honestly, but I'll need it a little, as I said, for the sake of the video. And I'm a little coconut oil. Now I'm just putting in some tea tree oil. The more oils you put, you guys, the less pigmented your product would be. I'm looking for the top, but girl, this is twisty. Come on, girl. Now we're going in with some vitamin E oil. And like I said, you want to add a little bit of oil, not too much to your products, because you won't be able to see the pigment. Now I'm adding some castor oil. And this is when I started to tweak a little bit. You could grab the wrong oil. I grabbed the peppermint oil, but that's from a Majestic lip gloss. But I went to go grab the pomegranate oil flavoring. And because my lip gloss is called Fruity Rose and it's pomegranate flavor with rose petals. Look at that. And then I'm going to act like I can smell it. Look. What are you doing? So now I'm just going in with my pigment, and it wasn't coming out, so I had to hit it with my hand mad hard. But no, my hand did not hurt because I do it all the time in my head, so it's used to it. Being that before I started, I had some product left in the container. The consistency wasn't really to my liking, so I decided to add a little more coconut oil. And I'm wrong, girl. I'm just getting it to the consistency that I'm used to. Tell me that wasn't satisfying. Tell me it wasn't, because you know you would be lying. So now I'm proceeding with adding the rose petals into the container. and then I'm going to add the gloss into the syringe. But in order for me to do that, I know y'all want to be saving these turtles, but bruh, I need these straws as a tip, otherwise it won't be able to fit into my lip gloss tube. So I'm sorry, I'm about to put my Spanish on y'all. I'm sorry turtles, but come on, I need you. So now I'm gonna measure the straw up to the height of my container so it could reach the bottom successfully, and boom, snip off the excess. And yeah, I'm just chatting. Y'all can see I'm adding the lip gloss in the container by sectioning it, and y'all can watch me struggle. That's what y'all can do. Y'all can watch me struggle, because I was struggling, child, and I do it every time. I struggle every time I do this lip gloss thing until y'all get me a machine, or y'all help me get a machine for my lip glosses. I'll be struggling. This time I'm gonna be adding the gloss in first in order so it can reach the crevices in between the container. But see, my tube fell in. That's why I need to tighten, yo. That's why I need a machine, y'all. Help me get a machine for my lip glosses, please. Like this video so I can get a machine for my lip glosses. But yeah, so I'm just keep trying to stick the straw back in, but it keep coming out, So I'm keep trying to stick it in, but it keep coming out with all the pressure. So you know, I'm just working with what I got. And yeah, I'm just tapping it, and then I added the rose petals. Now I'm adding in the lip gloss again. Y'all can see this, so y'all can see this. Alright, I'm finished. I washed my hands and I took off my gloves because it was so glossy and I didn't want to contaminate inside of my packages. So I'm using a napkin and I'm putting the stoppers into the lip gloss. I did the last lip gloss on my Instagram. Y'all can follow on the screen right here. So I'm showing y'all for the stoppers on. Yo, I'm really talking really fast. Like I'm getting immune to this. Am I not? Like I'm really, look at me. I'm going with the flow. So I'm just putting on the stoppers. I'm pushing it in, making sure it's all the way secure, because I don't want y'all stuff leaking. You feel me? Y'all get the best. Y'all get the best quality. Y'all get the best treatment. Why? Because y'all deserve it. Y'all deserve it. Put the gold tops. I got the gold tops. I ain't got no plastic tops. Y'all better not play with me. I got the gold tops and they look fire. So y'all can go on my website. You know what I'm saying? Go cop these up. Only $8. They so fire. I seen all the work I put into. Look at it. So I thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really hope you guys enjoy. Y'all go follow me on my Instagram, my personal Instagram, and my business Instagram. I also got eyeshadow palette. I saw the eyeshadow palette already. I showed it to y'all. Woo! If you're looking forward to supporting me, you can go on my website and purchase this. I do accept Cash App and PayPal on my Instagram. You could DM me.
OG got the bang.